Hello friends, welcome back. My name is PK. In this video, you will learn how to create a dynamic chart for top employees by sales using the date-wise data. Here we have multiple dates and the employee name and their sales. So we have to create a summarized chart for the top employees. These are top 3 employees on the chart and their sales. If I click on this up arrow of this spin button, then we are displaying top 4 employees by sales. We can click here to change the number of the employees. Similarly, the down arrow also. Alright friends. Now I will explain you how we can create this in Microsoft Excel step by step. Now let's select your data. Just copy this and click on this plus button. And let us paste this data here. Go to the view and remove the grid lines from here. Select these 3 cells and merge them, and we will put here. Select number of top employees and let's select this color and use white font, make this bold. And here we will give the number of employees. So let's select this light blue color. Alright. Increase the row height of this row number 3. Now let's go to the developer tab and insert a form control spin button, this one, and just drag that here like this. Now first of all, let's select this data and convert this into a table. So press Ctrl T and click on OK. From the table design, we can uncheck this banded rows and let's rename this table as data. Okay, and remove the filters also, so uncheck this filter button. Now let's get the count of unique employees name first. So we can use here count A and let's check the unique of this employee list. Close the bracket and hit the enter. So we have 7 employees, right? Let's delete this formula and right click on this spin button, go to the format control, and minimum value let's put 2 and maximum we will show 7 on the chart. And the cell link, let's connect with this cell. Click on OK. Now align this center, make it bold and slightly bigger. If I click, then you can see this number is getting changed. Now we will get the summary of all employees, unique employee name and sum of sales. So what I'll do here, let's use the group by function here. Then row field, we can select data and the field name employee name. Okay, comma, the value field we can select again data table and the field name is sales, comma, function we will use sum, comma, no total. Sort order we want in descending order by the sales amount, so use -2 here. Just close the bracket, hit the enter. So we are getting the total sales amount by employee name. Now I can use here take function, comma, select this cell E3 and just close this. We are getting top 2. If I click here, then you can see we are getting top 3. So this is getting changed. Now select this range, go to the insert and insert a 2D column chart, this one. Let's keep the chart here. Right click on the columns, go to the format data series and go to the fill and line and use vary color by point. Click on this plus icon at the data labels and go to the grid lines. Check this primary measure vertical. Alright, now we can select the horizontal axis, make this black and bold. Similarly vertical one, black and bold, and the data labels also. Now if I change the value here, you can see the chart is getting changed dynamically. For these range, you can select this range and white font color, so this is not visible. Okay, now we will make the chart title dynamic. So we can put the formula here, let's say on F1 or anywhere, equal to, and use here top space, and let's select this cell and then in inverted comma space put employees by sales and close the inverted comma and hit the enter. So we are getting this dynamically here. Now just click on the chart title, go to the formula bar, press equal to and just click here, hit the enter. So this chart title is connected with this cell. If I change, then here you can see chart title is also getting changed. Take the black font, make it bold, reduce the font size. Now select this F3 and take the white font so it is not visible. Now our dynamic chart is ready. Automatically we are getting the summary and the top employees also. So friends, that is how you can create this chart using the group by and take function. Friends, I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button and please subscribe my channel to get the regular update of my videos. Thank you so much for watching.